Hello tool lovers! Welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video because today we're showcasing 20 next level DIY tools changing the game in 2026. From smart upgrades to powerful innovations, these tools are designed to save time, boost precision, and make every project easier. Get ready to discover the future of DIY and woodworking like never before. Screwdriver set, ORIA Precision. Screwdriver set is a highly reliable toolkit designed for repairing smartphones, laptops, gaming consoles, and other small electronics. It comes in multiple versions, including 60-in-1, 86-in-1, and up to 130-in-1 sets, offering a wide range of magnetic precision bits like Phillips, Torx, Hex, and Pentalobe. Built with durable CRV or S2 steel, it ensures long-lasting performance and accuracy. The ergonomic handle, flexible extension shaft, and anti-slip grip make repairs easier in tight spaces. Many kits also include tweezers, spudgers, and a storage case, making ORIA a complete solution for DIY electronics repair and professional use. Jigsaw. The Milwaukee 18-volt XL cordless jigsaw is often confused between two brands, but XL offers a strong budget-friendly option for DIY users. The XL 18-volt model delivers 0 to 2,300 revolutions per minute with a 25.4mm stroke, 4-position orbital action, and up to 65mm wood cutting depth. It includes a quick release blade system, LED light, dust blower, and bevel base up to 45 degrees. It's a solid, lightweight tool for smooth, accurate cutting performance in home workshops. Work Platform Bench. The Loyoda Work Platform Bench is a versatile aluminum solution designed for stability and portability in tasks like painting, washing cars, and home maintenance. Built with corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy, it is lightweight yet durable, supporting loads from 500 pounds up to 800 pounds depending on the model. It features adjustable height legs for uneven surfaces, a folding design for easy storage, and a textured anti-slip surface for safety. Non-slip rubber feet ensure stability, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Pressure washer. The Sunjo. Pressure washer is a highly popular electric cleaning tool, known for its SPX series designed for homeowners and beginners. With power ranging from 2,000 to 3,000 pounds per square inch, it easily handles cars, decks, patios, and siding. Key features include a total stop system for safety, quick connect nozzles for versatility, dual detergent tanks on select models, and GFCI protection for safe outdoor use. Compact, powerful, and easy to maintain, it delivers efficient cleaning performance for everyday residential tasks. Vacuum cleaner. Makita vacuum cleaner lineup is designed for professional grade cleaning with strong portability and power, powered by the advanced 18-volt LXT battery system. These cordless vacuums are perfect for both home and job site use, offering freedom from cords and reliable performance. New brushless motor technology increases efficiency, suction power, and runtime while reducing noise. Users can choose between bagless or paper filter systems for easy maintenance. Some models include variable speed control and cyclonic attachments to reduce filter clogging. Makita also offers backpack, wet/dry, and robotic vacuums, making it a complete cleaning solution for modern professionals and DIY users. Sliding T-square ruler. The GRENPRO. Sliding T-square ruler is a versatile layout tool designed for precision in woodworking and engineering tasks. It combines a ruler, protractor, and marking gauge into one compact device. With an adjustable sliding head, it allows accurate measurement and angle marking from 0 degrees to 180 degrees. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it features laser-engraved metric and imperial scales for long-lasting clarity. Ideal for woodworking, DIY projects, and layout work, it ensures fast, reliable, and highly accurate marking every time. Circular Saw. Ryobi Circular Saws are designed for both DIY users and professionals who want reliable cutting power with easy handling. The 18-volt 1+ cordless range features HP brushless motors, delivering up to 5,000 revolutions per minute for fast, efficient cuts. It offers 2 9/16 inch depth, up to 56-degree bevel angles, LED lighting, dust adapters, and safety features like an electric brake and rafter hook. The 15 amp corded models provide continuous heavy-duty power, exact laser alignment, and superior workshop performance.
Jack WS-2 4LPJ. The Kangaroo. Jack WS-24LPJ by ARI Hetra is a heavy-duty hydraulic jack built for industrial use, not a security camera. It offers a lifting capacity of 12,000 pounds at the bracket and 24,000 pounds at the saddle, with dual lifting points for versatility. Its adjustable bracket accommodates various vehicles, while the compact, durable design allows easy movement in tight spaces. Powered by a high-capacity hydraulic system, it's ideal for forklift maintenance, construction machinery servicing, and general industrial lifting tasks requiring precision and strength. Milling machine, the RIDGID flex shaft. KM-1004. Milling machine is a versatile, hybrid-powered, drain cleaning tool ideal for residential and commercial projects. It operates on an 18-volt battery or corded power, featuring a brushless motor with speeds from 1,000 to 2,000 revolutions per minute. The tool handles 1 1/4 inch to 4 inch pipes, uses dead core cables, and includes iClutch technology to prevent breakage. Smart features like a digital cable counter, RIDGID Link app connectivity, and safety sensors enhance precision and reliability. Its ergonomic design, portability, and field serviceable components make it perfect for demanding jobs. Rechargeable, slim profile. LED pocket flashlight. The Klein tools. Rechargeable slim profile LED pocket flashlight, model 56453, is a compact, durable light designed for tradespeople. It offers 3 modes: high, 275 lumens, low, 80 lumens, and strobe, projecting up to 55 meters. Its slim rectangular body prevents rolling, while a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery and micro USB charging with tri-color indicator ensure convenience. Rugged, IP54 rated construction, a stainless steel pocket clip with magnet, and a hat clip feature provide hands-free versatility. Smart thermal management and memory mode enhance safety and usability. SOLA METEC Digital Tape Measure. The SOLA METEC Digital Tape Measure and Laser Distance Meter is a versatile hybrid tool designed for precision and convenience. It combines a 5-meter digital tape with a 20-meter laser distance meter, ideal for both small interior tasks and larger spaces. Features include dual measurement modes, selectable reference points, Bluetooth connectivity, and advanced calculations for length, area, and volume. Rugged and ergonomic, it has an illuminated display, IP54 dust and splash resistance, permanent tape break, and stores up to 50 measurements for professional use. Solar Cable Stripper PV Strip Pro. The JOKARI PV Strip Pro, item number 30199, is a professional solar cable stripper designed for precise and efficient PV cable work. It features a wide cross-section range and a 4-chamber system for fast, accurate size allocation. An integrated, millimeter-precise length stop ensures consistent strips, while a longitudinal cutting blade handles lengthwise cuts. Titanium nitride-coated blades boost durability, and its lightweight ergonomic design suits both hands. Ideal for standard PV, double-shielded, and halogen-free cables, it excels in field and roof installations. Torque-controlled impact. Wrench. The JOHNSWELL 20-volt digital torque-controlled impact wrench TCW115 is designed for precise fastening in automotive and assembly applications. Featuring smart digital torque control with 4+1 preset levels. It automatically stops at the target torque to prevent over-tightening. Its 20-volt brushless motor delivers up to 365 Newton meters with plus or minus 8% accuracy. LED indicators show operation status, errors, or battery level. Ergonomically designed with a soft lever handle, it offers one-touch forward/reverse control and a 1/2-inch square drive for versatile, reliable use. Greenlee Remote Pruner Kit. The Greenlee Remote Pruner Kit ES52LXR11 is a versatile battery-powered pruning solution designed for utility line clearance and safe branch trimming. With a 2-inch cutting capacity and 6-ton cutting force, it delivers up to 80 cuts per charge. The tool features automatic blade retraction, jam-resistant jaws, and lightweight portability. Wireless Bluetooth control and hot stick compatibility extend reach up to 30 feet. The kit includes the pruner, remote, 218-volt batteries, charger, and hot stick adapter for flexible field use. SPIT UP6 Ultra Performance Pulsa Nails. The SPIT UP6 Ultra Performance Pulsa nails are engineered for unmatched strength and reliability when fixing into very hard concrete and steel with SPIT gas nailers. Designed for extreme conditions, C20/25 to C50/60, they feature an extended conical tip and reinforced shank for maximum bonding and pull-out resistance. Built from hardened carbon steel, greater than or equal to 56 HRC, and electro-galvanized for corrosion protection, these nails reduce misfires and rework, improving productivity and lowering fatigue. Compatible with all Pulsa 27, 40 and 65 models, they come in convenient collated strips for fast, continuous operation. Drainfast ProCut. The Drainfast ProCut is a power tool operated pipe cutting and chamfering tool designed for underground drainage work, offering fast, safe and accurate results. It combines cutting and chamfering in one quick step using a cordless drill to reduce manual effort. The prototype can cut and chamfer in under 24 seconds, with the final version expected to do it in under 15. It can be used standalone or mounted on the Drainfast SiteStack workstation for ergonomic consistent cuts that reduce waste and damage. Aardwolf Seam Setters. Aardwolf seam setters are essential tools for stone and countertop fabrication. designed to precisely align large, non-porous slabs both horizontally and vertically for tight flush seams. Using strong suction cups and either manual ratcheting or battery-powered vacuum pumps, they hold materials securely while adjustments are made. Models range from the manual ratchet seam setter to the battery-powered Boss and electric EOSS, each offering durable construction, adjustable leveling knobs, and reliable vacuum sealing for professional installation. HMS 3-Arm Tyre Ease. The HMS 3-Arm Tyre Ease is an ergonomic support tool designed to reduce strain during tyre changing on large vehicles. Using an articulating arm and specialised head, it supports heavy wheel assemblies and impact tools, making them feel weightless. This improves precision and reduces operator fatigue and injury risk. The system also enhances safety by keeping hands away from pinch zones, reducing vibration exposure, and preventing drop tools. Durable and versatile, it adapts to various rim sizes and demanding industrial environments. Total Rapid Cross Wrench THTRCW40231. The Total Rapid Cross Wrench THTRCW40231 is a heavy-duty 16-inch tool made from durable chrome vanadium steel, ideal for fast and efficient tyre changes. Its cross-shaped design delivers high leverage and torque, making it easier to loosen stubborn lug nuts. The chrome-plated finish resists rust and corrosion, while the ergonomic anti-slip grip reduces hand fatigue. It includes 4 integrated sockets, 17mm, 19mm, 21mm, and 23mm, and comes with a convenient leather pouch for storage and portability. Hyde Tools Dust-Free Vacuum Scraper. The Hyde Tools Dust-Free Vacuum Scraper, Model 09190, is a game changer for surface prep, capturing up to 99% of paint chips, dust, and debris directly into a wet/dry vacuum while scraping. Its 2.5-inch reversible carbide blade is durable and easy to replace, while the ergonomic handle keeps your knuckles safe. A removable pull knob doubles as a hammer head for setting pop nails, and the included hose adapter fits most vacuum sizes for cleaner, faster work.